This is my privilege to share with you Advagene Biopharma and our research product AD17002 to combat COVID-19 in early treatment for mild to moderate cases. During the past few years, as an adjuvant, we have completed intranasal flu vaccine phase 2 study and the rhinitis phase 2 study with evidence safety data. We are now looking for partners to co-develop AD17002 in COVID-19 mild to moderate therapy. Below, we will have more detailed information presented by my colleague, Dr. Yang. We are looking forward to your request. Please feel free to contact us.
Good day, my dear fellows. On behalf of Advagene Biopharma, I'm the Chief Medical Officer. We are here to call for partners to work with us to fight for COVID-19 breakthrough infections. As you have known that no vaccination is 100% effective, there are still breakthrough infections, and they may be the next wave of COVID-19 epidemic again. So we need to be prepared. As you heard that from the US CDC, you are requested to wear a mask even though you have been vaccinated fully, because the post-vaccination, the breakthrough infection can still be spread from the fully vaccinated people, and the fully vaccinated people can still get sick. This study shows that even you have vaccinated fully, you still get COVID-19 virus on your nasal mucosa. And that's the reason why you will still spread the virus, and also you may get sick. Here we are going to present our compound, the AD17002, which can help you to kill your virus and to prevent disease progression. As you have known that the COVID-19 infection has several stages. In the initial stage, the innate immunity will kick in to help you to kill the virus, to prevent the virus spreading and also prevent the progression of the disease. And the key role of that is the type 1 interferon. And the type 1 interferon has been used to treat COVID-19 infection, but the result was not ideal because the drug was applied to human through systemic route. So it will cause systemic reaction, not just the local protection only. And our compound, the AD17002, we induce type 1 interferon locally on nasal mucosa. So it's an idea that can help you to clear the virus from your nasal mucosa. AD17002 has been tested in animals. In the animal challenging test, we show that the AD17002 can induce type 1 interferon on the nasal mucosa and also the upper respiratory tracts. And this type 1 interferon induced protect the animal from COVID-19's damage, shown on this slide. The pathohistological slide shows that with the treatment of AD17002, the damage score was less than the placebo groups. At this moment, AD17002 has been approved to be used in human clinical trial. It's a stage 2A studies. We will use this study to demonstrate that the AD17002 can clear viral load and prevent disease progression. And the protocol has been approved by local authority, Taiwan Food Drug Administration. And attached, you can find the approval later. And we are thinking that if you can work with us, because we don't have that many patients in Taiwan at this moment. So that's the reason why we are calling for partner to work with us, because we would like to demonstrate that AD17002 can be used in early treatment when the patient was first diagnosed with the PCR positive of COVID-19 infections. That will be the right time to use an AD17002 to treat the patient. And we can show that the AD17002 can prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus on the cross contacts of the patients. So when the patient gets first diagnosed with PCR positive, it will be right candidate to receive AD17002 because AD17002 can help the subject to clear the virus. And also, for those contact with these patients, means that the first level of contact can also be protected by using AD17002 in preventive use. As we all know that there's no vaccine is 100% protective. There will be breakthrough infections. There will be next wave of COVID-19 infection pandemic. So we need medication, we need treatment. You heard that Merck, the big pharma company, just got an order from US government to spend $1.2 billion to treat 1.3 million subjects at the cost of $700 a treatment cost. Here, our AD17002 will be much cheaper, much convenient, and much effective to treat because our AD17002 is a nasal spray. It can easily be sprayed into your nose and induce type 1 interferon to revitalize the innate immunity, to help you to clear the virus and prevent the disease progression. Here, we thank you again for listening, and we hope we can work together and to have clinical programs. Now we can test our hypothesis, and we can bring AD17002, an effective preventive and treatment solution to the world. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention. We are very looking forward for your request. Please feel free to contact us.